Hello again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader, techtrader.com. It's February the 12th, Monday, and these are the charts of the day. Well, it was a record highs on Wall Street, and then down goes Fraser. Market got a really good hit, but technicals were pretty damn good today, and I am not giving up in this market just yet, although today could have been the top, and we'll have to just see if there's any downside follow through. There's a lot of stocks still running. Let's take a look at a few of them, actually almost two and a half dozen of them. AAOI, new swing that we put out when it popped out, consolidated, now it's popped again. Notice that it got up to the high on January 10th of 22.85. Today's high was 22.23. It backed off to 21, but should we get to that level, the longer term chart shows 29 to 30 might be a target zone. AEHR snapping back nicely, now up 5 days in a row off the low in the bottom of the channel. It's now up near resistance in their mid channel. Your next target would be to test that gap at about 20, 20 and a quarter, and then 23. AI exploding of late as that stock came beautiful and a beautiful hold of support from September through the present. You can see several times 23, 3.5, 4 zone with support. It's exploded off up there. And now I'm looking for a test of that zone near 33, 34 zone. That's the next target. At Immr, recent swing is up 3 days in a row. It spiked from 7.25 to over 9 today. My target is 10.75. AUTL coming out of a phase 4 flag is extended and now up towards resistance at 7.45. We get through that. I got targets at 9 and 10.5. Beamr had a monster day today. Only 157 million shares traded. 186 including post and pre-market. 186 million shares on a stock that is extremely thin. That's amazing how many times we turned that over. Well, anyway, we traded it wonderfully today from literally under 4 to nearly 35. The stock finally collapsed and closed it down around, I think it was traded down around 12, but after hours is up at 3 or 4 points more and is now up 625% on the day net near 1538. CCCC popping out of a falling wedge today, popped a little bit. It's 47 cents, 7.6%, and now looking for a test of 8.25. Coin with the crypto stocks running wild and with Bitcoin over 50,000 again. This thing's popped back. My targets are now 162.3, and then a retest of 185.87. EXAI popped out of a rising channel and is accelerating. The double top up here is your next target near 9. FRO right on the precipice of perhaps a big pop. I can see the stock trading at 30 in the next few days and weeks. GCT, a swing trade, popped again today, engulfing a reversal bar to the upside, 28 to 30 to 84, finished 32.07 up 279, almost 10% gain today. I still am looking for 40. HRTX, also on a beautiful rising channel with a target now of 3.30. If we do that, that breaks it out. You may see 4.25 and 5. IGMS, International Games, a rising channel, had an engulfing volume reversal day today. I'm now looking for the stock to make a move into the mid-20s. IMR breaks out of a base, explodes from 685 to 851, and now I have $9 in mind. JOBY, with some positive news out of Saudi Arabia, popped. Not quite broken out yet, but if we get through that, let's say the 660 area, I'll be looking for 7.5 and 9. KOPN, highest level in 2 years, coming out of a base. I think the stock is just starting. This could be a big one, folks. LABU popped out of its coil yesterday, followed through today, or should I say Friday and today. A retest is in order of 142, then we're looking for 158.60. Mara, another crypto stock, is just going vertical, 16 to 27.5 in a week. There's resistance up here, but your next target is 33 and 37. NNOX, FDA approval today on 3.9 million, which is huge for that stock. It popped and we got up the resistance. If we can get this to 7.25.35 area, we're looking for 8, 9, and 10. NOTV, breaking through a declining comps line through lateral price resistance, up about 8% today. My target 7.25. Palantir holding in this area up a little bit today, 40 cents, but it looks to me like a setup for a move to 28 next. plug with a 1, 2, 3, 4 broke out of its wave 4 wedge. I'm now looking for a test of the 5.5 and then 6 3/4 range. SRTS has awoken of late with a pop, pull back orderly, and then look at this last 6-day run up. That's taken it from about 315 to 445, my target 535. TEVA, another pop today, and positive news, up 99 cents or 8%. Line was a hefty 24 million. We're at key resistance long term here, but a beautiful base developed. Might very well see the stock near 17 in the next few days and weeks. TOST, a nice base has been built. The stock is broken out. I'm not looking for a run to low 20s. Tattoo, breaking out of a little base, it appears volume was heavy at 6.2 million. It gained 33% today. The next target would be the December high around the 835 area, and then maybe 9. TWST popped, went flagged, and has popped again. I'm now looking for this one to make it into the mid 40s for starters. VERA, with phenomenal momentum, has gone literally from 15 to 46 and change, and tripled in about a month, if not less. Right now, the momentum could carry this towards 50. Viking, tech trader swing continues to look good. It was an inside day today. I think it's headed for 37.8. And finally, Wish exploded. 23.5 million shares, jumped 40%. It moved through this line, and we might be looking at 8.5 and 10. That's a look at some of the very hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. Good night, everybody. Have a good one.